Hi, my name is Ryan Williams with Prudential California Realty. I've created this video to introduce the random email that you received here today. I've sent this email to heads of companies in the Modesto area ranging from 10 employees to 100 plus employees. And the reason I've done so in the last year working with investors, again, ranging from those that have never invested before and those that are buying properties at the trustee sale all cash and everywhere along that spectrum, that the common denominator with all is the interest in being exposed to the right opportunities. So what I do on a weekly basis is I create what I call Ryan's Investment of the Week. I pick a property that I feel represents a great residential investment opportunity. We send the typical information that you would expect anytime you receive property information, but then we dig deeper. We look at the cash flow, we look at the cap rate, we look at the debt servicing ratio, we look at the cash on cash return, we look at the rehab cost, we look at the closing cost, the total out-of-pocket cost, so that you have a complete and thorough understanding of what the opportunity is and what the numbers of that specific property are and what it would take to get into. I send properties ranging from $50,000 up to $175,000, and I'm amazed at how the commonality between all of these is the cap rate is regularly between 10 and 12%, and the debt servicing ratio is, well, we'll get into that more specifically later. But then the cash on cash return is 15 and 20+% dependent upon the property. But the reason I'm doing 50 to 100 is there's a range of those that have interest. Some want to get in cash, some want to start low, some want to minimize their out-of-pocket as they dabble in and get experience in the market. And then again, some want to get a newer, cleaner, low maintenance property and then push up to 150, 175. But I send this out without an expectation that that one property will fit for a particular investor, but really that it will expose the opportunity to many. Yeah, exactly. If there's interest at that point, obviously we can discuss the specifics and look more at more detailed information about either that or properties like that. The other reason that I'm sending this to you is that some have expressed interest in learning more about it in more of a succinct presentation that reviews the historical residential real estate issue here in the Valley, where we've been, where we're going, comparing it to the stock market, etc., in a presentation. And I offer that where I can come to facilities and provide that insight and information, again, for those that have heard the opportunity but need better information and more specific information before they dabble in it. And so I offer that to you as well. If this email and this information has no use to you, and or to those that you work with or have employed, I will include an unsubscribe with each of these videos and emails. The last thing that we want to be is a hindrance to what you're trying to do, and certainly an online telemarketer. In the end, we hope that it exposes you to an opportunity. If there's greater interest, please contact me via cell, email, text, however, whatever's convenient. And again, if you're just passively wanting to learn and be educated about some of the opportunities we progress, hope that you enjoy the emails as they'll come weekly, and look forward to any future relationship. I hope you have a great day, and thanks again for taking a minute and watching this video.